Hey everyone, just going to do a quick little balance. I was sitting down thinking, what will I do? I don't have any ideas. And I opened up my goal balance book and it was for inspiration and ideas. Always a bit interesting when the universe goes, this is what you need, cheeky babe, off you go. So, and I've got, can you hear it in the background? I've got my AO scan on really gently in the background, and it's going to be rolling through chakra healing through for us throughout this. So just going from one chakra to the next, so helping to open up those portals of energy to help us to feel more in line with our lives, and allow our souls to feel happy and healthy and vibrant. For those of you with that excess energy at the moment, just help to calm it down so you can feel more peace. So we'll get started with that and see what shows up. So I'm just going to utilize the goals from my goal book, and we'll see what shows up for us all. Oh, and with the AO scan, I've actually got us as a combined energy. So I've got the clinic as a space, and then I've also got a photo of just information from the YouTube channel, so it's encompassing the energy of all of us as a unit. So let's get into it. Part 2.